Yo, what's up everyone? It's race week and we are few hours away from Bahrain Grand Prix 2021. Today I'm going to share my formula of winning free F1 tickets and cool F1 merchandise. I know you guys must be thinking, how is that possible? Who is going to give me free F1 tickets? It's possible. If you keep your eyes open, your ears open, what's happening around you, what's happening on social media, and yeah, you might be the lucky one to be sitting in the grandstand and watching your favorite F1 stars. Number one, F1 Fantasy League. So F1 Fantasy League is here, and if you know F1 right from inside out, you know who is performing, who is not performing, you know about you're following F1 from last 5 to 10 years, then this is a great platform to win grandstand tickets. They're giving you grandstand tickets and also paddock passes. Wow, what a great opportunity for every F1 fan. Also, F1 Fantasy is not that complicated. It's very easy. You just have to pick your 5 drivers, 1 constructor, and yeah, and you can make up to 3 teams, but only 1 team will be participating in global league, where you have an opportunity to win tickets. It's not just about tickets. They also have cool merchandise in between the season. So there are mini leagues. So if it's Italian Grand Prix, then they always come up with prizes like signed merchandise or signed cap from Ferrari or McLaren, Mercedes. There are like 4-5 mini leagues. So even if you're not winning F1 ticket, you have a chance to win a signed cap from one of the drivers. So that's one way. Number 2, social media. Follow each and everything related to F1. Teams, drivers, brands sponsoring F1, anything. They always have something or the other to give. McLaren, if you go on McLaren website right now, or if you have seen one of their tweet, they are giving Drive to Survive bundle, which includes a sign cap by Daniel and Lando, a popcorn maker and Coke, also 12 months Netflix gift card. It's a great opportunity again, even if you're a Ferrari fan or whoever you're supporting. But if you have this collection, if you have this F1 collection, and if you feel that okay, let's give a shot, let me try, if I'm the lucky one, then I can have that cap with me in my wardrobe, and I will be wearing a McLaren cap also. It's not that okay, I'm a Ferrari fan, so I will not play this contest. Like I'm a Ferrari fan, but I would love to have a cap signed by Daniel Ricciardo and Lando Norris. So why not give right now? Go on their website and check this. It's happening. You just have to fill a form and register. You might be the lucky one. Number 3, regional contest. F1 is happening in your region. Sure, there will be many contests happening around you with brands who are partners with F1. I will give you an example. In 2019, like I'm in Dubai and F1 was happening in Abu Dhabi, but Burger King came up with a contest where you have to buy a Whopper and they give you a scratch card where you have to scratch, and if you're a lucky one, you will win a grandstand ticket. And even they had like cool merchandise. I had like 4 to 5 Whoppers, but bad luck.
Same thing, right?
But that I went to Abu Dhabi to watch Grand Prix, not with the contest, but I went on my own. But all I'm saying is keep your eyes open, see what are the brands that are sponsoring F1 in your region. They always have these free tickets to give away, free merchandise to give away on this contest. Again, could be on a social media, in an outdoor, in a mall. It could be anywhere. So this is a way again to watch F1 live and to grab those free tickets and merchandise. I'm sharing my own experience of playing contest and winning a grand prize like F1 ticket, or my grand prize was F1 trip, in fact. Back in 2015, I remember I played a contest for a radio channel, and I was one of the winner, and I won a fully paid trip to Singapore Grand Prix 2015, including my airport air tickets, my hotel stay, and of course the grandstand ticket. Not only that, before few months in Christmas, I played a contest on social media handle of Singapore of F1 Night Race. I remember on Twitter. It was a Christmas contest, and there also I won pit lane walk passes for 2. So I won 2 contests for one big event, Singapore F1 Night Race. A pit lane walk passes and grandstand tickets coming from 2 different places, one from radio station and one from F1 Night Race social handle. So here's the advice: if you're expert in playing contests, and you want to try your luck, you have that in you, okay, I'm going to win this, let's do this, then go for it and play some cool social media, play some cool contests going around you, and you will be the lucky winner one day. Hope you have a great race weekend, and don't forget to make your fantasy team and participate in Global League to win F1 tickets.